Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Matchbox cars, Matchbox moving parts, and I think this is one of the latest releases. Let's have a look at the box itself. So there is 968J, so I'm not sure if it's a J case because underneath it says 2020 Mix A. There are 8 pieces inside, and just bought this a week ago, so I'm quite sure it's one of the latest releases. That's the whole box. I already pre-opened it, so let's have a look inside. And let's take out the first one. That's a very nice one. It's one of the reasons I bought this box. It's quite a different packaging as usual. I don't know if I like it this way, but I will open up later on these packagings anyway. I only need one. So there's the back side. There's your number. There's some information. But this is a very nice model. I think I have, there are 2 or 3 of them now. This white version of this Honda S2000 is very nice. Great engine, detail. And let's have a look. I think there are 2 of them. Yes, there are 2 Hondas in the box, and here you have your next one, which is a red 2016 Chevy Camaro. There's the whole packaging, back side with the number. And I think I have a blue one of this version. I'm sure they released a blue one, and I do have that one. I don't know if this is the second color. So opening hood, there you have your engine. Nice looking rims. So that's a red piece. Let's have a look. So there are two of them in the box. So that's 4 pieces. Let's have a look at the next one. And that's the second color of this Divco milk truck. There was a white version before this one. Packaging is the same. There's the art. Opening doors at the back side. There's your info. And it says Matchbox and street shop, I think. There's your front. And the opening doors for this truck. Okay, next one. Let's have a look what's next. So there is a second one in this box, and the last 2 pieces There you have a different one, 2000 Nissan Xterra. And I think this is the third color they released. I do have a yellow one and a blue one, I think. With your opening back door. There's your art. So I don't know about the packaging. Okay, last one. And that's a different one. This is a very nice one. It's a Ford Crown Victoria taxi from 2006. There's your card art. This is a great piece. Not much detail on the back, but I love this casting. Front lights, headlights. Looks quite good. Let's have a look at the back. So that's my review. Those are the cars in the box, as you can see. So 3, 4, 5 different cars, I think. 3 double ones and 2 different ones. But this is one of the better ones. So that's my review. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.